Do you want to make sure your phone is charging properly? Samsung include a built-in diagnostic that check your wired charging connection in just a few seconds. Let me show you how. First, open setting, scroll down and tap device care. Scroll down the screen. Under the additional care section, tap diagnostic. Then tap phone diagnostic. Here, find and tap cable charging. If you have tested it before, tap test again to start a new test. Then connect your phone to a wire charger. Your phone will automatically begin the test. If everything is working correctly, the result will show normal. Here, you will also see useful charging information, including your current charging speed and battery protection setting. However, if a problem is detected, tap request a repair button and follow the on-screen instruction. And that's how to test cable charging on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.